Tesla has released the Q2 2022 financial results, friends, and Tesla has another beat despite the tough quarter. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. So Tesla reported adjusted earnings of $2.27 per share on $16.93 billion in revenue in Q2 2022. The automotive margins decreased from last quarter and a year ago, impacted by inflation and more competitive competition for electric vehicle companies. If you remember, recently Elon Musk tweeted about the inflation and saying Tesla will drop the prices after inflation comes down. And I've said before that Tesla is facing tough competition because I'm test driving more and more electric vehicles and they are great. Now, they don't have the full self-driving, but they have other great things that make driving electric vehicle a full comfort. Now, Tesla reported earnings after the bell and the results sent the stock up slightly after hours. Earnings per share, the EPS, is $2.27 adjusted versus $1.81 expected, according to Refinitiv. Revenue is $16.93 billion versus $17.1 billion expected, according to Refinitiv. Automotive gross margin came in at 27.9%, which is down from 32.9% last quarter and 28.4% a year ago, impacted by inflation and more competition for battery cells and other components that go into electric vehicles. Automotive revenue made up $14.6 billion of the company's total, with $1.47 billion coming from services and other revenues, and $866 million from the company's energy segment. The company generated $344 million in automotive regulatory credits revenue in the second quarter, the company said in its shareholder deck. That's a $10 million on nearly 3% decline from the same period in 2021, because other companies have started to build more electric vehicles. Tesla has grown its charging infrastructure more than its store and service centers, reporting 709 store and service locations for the quarter and 3,971 supercharger locations with, look at this, 36,165 total supercharger connections, the stalls in the second quarter. Those numbers represented 19% growth in store and service center locations year over year and a 34% growth in the number of charging locations, which means driving an electric car or driving the Tesla is going to be more comfortable. The company offered limited detail about its investments and sales of cryptocurrency, writing, quote, as of the end of Q2, we have converted approximately 75% of our Bitcoin purchases into flat currency. Conversions in Q2 added $936 million of cash to our balance sheet. End of the quote. Overall, the company's cash and cash equivalents increased by $847 million during the quarter. Tesla made waves among crypto enthusiasts when it announced in early 2021 that it had purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. With two new factories now standing in Texas and outside of Berlin in Germany, Giga Berlin, Tesla has kept its soft guidance for 50% average annual growth in vehicle deliveries over a multi-year horizon. Tesla still counts its hotly anticipated Cybertruck, announced in November 2019, electric semi-truck unveiled in November 2017, updated Roadster concept also available in November 2017, and other speculative projects like the humanoid robots as in development. Early this month, Tesla reported vehicle deliveries of 254,695 electric cars for the period ending June 30, 2022, showing 27% growth from the year-ago quarter, but an 18% decrease sequentially. Deliveries are the closest approximation of sales, Tesla discloses. Its Model 3 and Model Y electric vehicles comprised 93% of those deliveries. Now, COVID restrictions in Shanghai forced Tesla to temporarily suspend or limit production at its factory there during the second quarter of 2022. This was a tough quarter. CEO Elon Musk also lamented the high costs of starting up production at new factories in Austin, Texas, and Gigafactory in Grünheide in Brandenburg, Germany. During an interview with Tesla owners Silicon Valley, a company recognized fan club, Musk said the two new factories are gigantic money furnaces. The CEO also announced headcount cuts in June. On the brightest side, Tesla recently marketed a milestone with an employee posting on LinkedIn this week that the company surpassed production of 2 million vehicles at its Fremont, California factory. So what do you think, friends? The biggest concern is probably the automotive gross margin falling for the first time in a long time, but a 27.9% is still amongst the best in the industry, I guess. Tesla's stock price was up by as much as 4% in aftermarket hour trading. We will probably bring you more information as it becomes available later today. So please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. I'll see you soon in our next
Tesla
report. Has a new plan to extend Giga Texas. There are filings that show that. So Tesla is planning to expand Gigafactory Texas, its newest electric vehicle production plant that is located just outside Austin city limits. Filings show Tesla is planning to build on a 68.11 acre plot of land located adjacent to the factory's main property, with plans for industrial use facilities with associated improvements, the filings stated. I will have the link to the filings in the description of this video, friends. First reported by Austin Business Journal, the project is listed as a production support area for Giga Texas, and not many other details are known currently. Just that much, as the filing showed, Tesla is still working through the approval process of this expansion of Giga Texas. Tesla has been purchasing additional land, submitting plans for expansion, and working to broaden Gigafactory Texas and its entire footprint. In late June, Tesla filed to expand Gigafactory Texas by 500,000 square feet, friends, working on expanding the Central General Assembly 2 and General Assembly 3. This followed February filings that showed a 220,000 square foot warehouse was planned on site, with construction beginning in June, with a BESS system to support energy generation and storage, probably for Giga Texas. Gigafactory Texas is said to be Tesla's most complete manufacturing facility in its lineup of production plans. Not only will it build Tesla's most recent and advanced vehicles, but it will also produce the cells that make them the most advanced vehicles, the 4680 battery cells. It's a massive facility, and it can fit 194 billion hamsters and is 3 times the size of the Pentagon. It is also the second largest building in the world by volume. Tesla has been delivering Model Ys from Gigafactory Texas since the company's Cyber Rodeo event in early April. What do you think, friends? I think this is very exciting that Tesla is expanding Gigafactory, taking it to the next level. Now, I think we will look forward to see what is coming to this new expansion, what Tesla will be building at Gigafactory Texas, the new expansion, maybe expand the battery. But what do you think will be that adjacent support? You know, like I said, the filing stated that this location is adjacent to the factory's main property, with plans for industrial use facilities with associated improvements, the filing said. And like I said, first reported by Austin Business Journal, the project is listed as a production support area. Now, what can this mean? What production support can provide Tesla? Battery, but Tesla is already building the battery plant at Gigafactory Texas. What other production support do you think this area can provide for Giga Texas? Let me know, friends, in your comments. I'll look forward to reading your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Give us thumbs up, like like this video, please, and share in social media. Thank you very much for all your support. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report.